So here we are trying to fix this hanging up brake on a 2005 Ford Escape. So this thing's a dadgum rust bucket. Shock fell out of the other side not too long ago. Old Ford ought to put a can of this in the toolkit, leave it right with the truck, rust out like this in so few years. So this old brake caliper's froze up here. It's just about tighter than prom night. So I'm going to pull the brake line off from here, and if the brake line's bad or something's clogged up, it'll release the pressure. If it don't release the pressure, well, the caliper's stuck. I guess the best thing to do at this point is go drive that damn car in this deep ass snow. Adios.